Hello, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you so much for stopping by. It really does mean a lot to me. I know there are so many YouTubers out there right now that you could be watching, so to know that you're watching mine right now and commenting, it really does mean so much to me. And today I am going to just do a small video. This isn't a really big thing, but this is my nail shack decals. They are like nail polish sticks. I just did my nails again for Halloween. These are my nails, and I'm going to show a video on these soon. I'm just trying different things out, seeing how long they will last, so that I can give you a really thorough review. I don't want to tell you all or lead anybody wrong, but these are the nail strips, but I did put a gel coat over them to seal them in. When I did just the gel strips, which is what these are, they did last just about a week, but if you do really strenuous work with your hands, they probably won't last that long. If you have your hands in water a lot, they probably won't last that long. They did last me over a week when I put just a good hardener on it, a clear coat, and if I noticed anything, I would put a clear coat. If I noticed any damage to my nail or anything starting, I would put a clear coat over them again that day, and it did last a while. And I just think they're really cool. Look, I don't know if you can see, these are Halloween, and it's like I don't know what I can't think of what she's called. That lady there, can you see? I know she's like from a cartoon, but I can't think of what it is. And then there's the pumpkins, and that one, she's on that one too. I don't know if you can see well enough to see who she is. This one, let's see, can you see that well enough to see? There, I think that one is, because that nail's longer than the other ones, and you can see more details. I think you can see it on that. So that is I used the decals from last month's. And this is, I think it was $9.99 a month, and you get a little file, you get the little cuticle pusher, and you get, I think it's 4 different sets. And if it's a Halloween month, if it's a holiday month, they usually send you something to do with that month. Last month they sent, which I was glad, they sent the Halloween ones the month earlier so I could use both of them. And last time, if you've seen the video, I did it. It was the one with like a sky with bats and stuff in it. I took that one off a few days ago. It did last about 2.5 weeks. So I'm going to see how this lasts, and then I'm going to do a video for you on exactly what I did. It says, "I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers, Anne of Green Gables. I hope you enjoy. Have a safe and fun Halloween. Thanks so much, Deanna." Oh yeah, this one is, I think, $9.99. If I'm wrong, I will leave it below. And then they send a sheet that tells you the basics. But there are some things that I found while doing it, little ways that actually make it easier. So I will do that. Let's see. When I do my review, I will show you the ways that I have found. So here is the bag. Let me show you here. The little, they do send every month is some kind of cute little glittery, and it is a real file. I mean, it's cute, but it still serves as a file. And then every month that I've gotten this, I think this is my 4th or 5th month, they have sent me the file and this plastic cuticle thing. So let's see what I'm not really crazy about getting solid colors, because if I wanted a solid color I would just paint my nails. But then again, I mean, when you put these on, they're dry. I mean, there's no waiting time. If you're in a big hurry, if you paint your nails, you know, good 30-minute waiting time before you can go touching things and not smudge it. There is no waiting time with these. You put them on and you're ready to go if you're in a hurry. So I mean, there's that. But here is this, just a solid color, a pink fuchsia like color, and I really like this one. This one's cool. Let's see if I can do it to where you can see. I'm not actually sure what those are supposed to be. Maybe you all would know. I think the design is cute. It's really cute actually, but I'm not really sure what it's supposed to be. I was actually going to cancel this subscription, but I'm actually kind of liking the nail strips. I kind of miss painting my nails, but I mean, these are so cool. You just put them on, and I mean, they're really cool. And then look at this one. This is so pretty. I like this. Yeah, I will have to use this one soon. That is so pretty. And this one's really pretty too. It's a glittery gold specks in white. Looks like gold glitter on a white background is what it looks like. But look how pretty. So again, I think it's $9.99, and these, even if they only last a week, you have enough for your month. So I mean, like I said, the last pair of these I had lasted right around 2.5 weeks, but that was with putting the gel over it. But they still lasted well over a week when I just put the clear coat over them. So there was that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. So I like those. I think I will continue at least through Christmas, because next month they will probably send some Christmas ones. Last month was purple, and y'all, if you've watched my channel, you probably remember that purple was my favorite color, so I was extremely happy to get the purple. And then the month before that, I think, was the animal prints. I love animal prints. Don't like wearing animals. I do not use fur. I do not dress in anything that came from an animal, but I love animal prints, so I was really excited about that one. I haven't used those yet, but okay, there is that. I'm looking around to make sure I didn't forget anything, because a couple of times I have got finished and remembered there was something else I wanted to tell you all. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.